Hey everyone, Justine here. Welcome to my channel. Be sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe before you guys leave. And today, if you guys can notice anything, I don't have my eyebrows on, but I have the rest of my face on. It's crazy how eyebrows can really change the way that your face is. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how I do my eyebrows every day and what products that I personally use. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. So what I'm going to be using is by Makeup Forever. It's their Aqua Brow. This one's my favorite for my brows. It's number 30. So it's like a dark brown. And I actually get this from Namies online with the professional discount. So if you're a cosmetologist or an esthetician, you can usually get 30 to 40% off of Makeup Forever products. They have Kat Von D. They have a ton of other brands on there for professionals. So if you guys haven't seen my video on my favorite discounts for professionals, I'll link it down below. This is what I do. I just put it on a palette, a glass palette. If you don't have a glass palette, you don't have to buy one. I would just recommend using the top lid of like a candle. So what I'm going to do is use my favorite brow brush. I have two brushes that I use when I do my brows. The first one is Anastasia's number 15 brush. It looks like this. It's a lot more dense, and this really helps me to get the lines. And then I go in and fill in and kind of diffuse everything with my IT Cosmetics brush. This one is just the liner brow brush. This one was in a I think like a travel set for the IT brushes for Ulta. So in conjunction with both of them, they give me the look that I want. So with the Aqua Brow, I just go into it, and you really don't even need this much product. You barely have to tap into it. I tap into it, and then I kind of like take off a little bit. So just the smallest amount on your brush, back and forth. And I use small strokes. Start at the bottom. I start to like outline the way that I want my brows. Then I pick up a little bit more product. So the littlest, tiniest amount of this product works because you're kind of like diffusing it and blending it out. So what I'll do with my brow is I make sure that the bottom and the top are parallel to each other, and I work in angles at the beginning. So I go ahead and will make sure the bottom is a straight line. For my brows at least, I want it straight from here to here, straight from here to here, and they're of equal distance apart, the lines. That's what gives my brows the most uniform look. That's why I like this brush, because it's very stiff and it helps me just to create those lines at the beginning. And then what I do is when I get to the top of my arch, I leave it arched like that, and I do another angle. I go straight down from what I just created down to as long as I want it. And then I'll do the same thing from the bottom. I'll do another angle. However, I'll tilt it a little bit and go straight down. So I'm working in just angles at the beginning. So that's kind of what it starts to look like. And then what I'll do is I'll take my next brush, the IT Cosmetics brush. I'll dip into the product. This one has flexibility. And this, I just start to go in and really start to move the product, diffuse it. And at the top, I'll start to kind of round it out here at the arch. I'll round out what I did. And at the bottom right here, if there's any harsh arch, I'll go ahead and round that out too. Now I'm just going to go in and fill in, because there's no hair where I'm going. I'm creating my own brow. I just kind of deepen everything. and then towards the front, or use whatever's left on my brush. The good thing about this product is it does start to dry, but it doesn't dry fast enough to where you can't work with it. Then once it dries, it's set. It's waterproof. It says waterproof on the package. So that's how I do my brows. I use Makeup Forever's Aqua Brow. I do get this at namies.com with the pro discount. So the normal price of this is $23. You can also pick this up at Sephora. However, if you are a cosmetologist or esthetician or a makeup artist, you can get this for about $13. I did a how I curl my hair video, and now I did a how I do my brows. If there's anything else that you guys want to see, please comment down below. Thumbs up this video, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.